Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to rectify this one. If at all that maybe you're a web developer, you're using WordPress, there's this error that says the following errors were found. An installation already exists at https stroke your domain name. Mine is Lactech Pro as per our records. So to reinstall the application, please uninstall the existing. So how do we go about this one? How do you where do we go on WordPress so as to uninstall the existing, so as you can install a fresh WordPress on your domain? So what can you do? This what you can do. You have to go to the backend side of your cPanel. You must have been given the login details of your cPanel by your host. So company, for example, me, I'm using Namecheap, this one. So you must know where to go so as to approach your cPanel. So as you can see, this is my dashboard of a host or hosting. So this can see Lactech Pro. So I just go here, go to cPanel, and that way. So I have to go to under files here, and then I got not files, sorry. I go to under Spectacular's apps installer, click WordPress, and you can see go down here, current installations. So I have this one, Lucky Tech Techniques and the Lactech Pro. So the one that is having this problem is Lactech Pro. So I just come here. Yeah, this one, just click remove. Click this one. Then go down here and then remove installation, like that. So it will remove everything, database, everything, in the use of that database, everything. Just click OK. So you can see removing WordPress. The installation was removed successfully. Then return to WordPress management. Just click. Now, as from here, now we are installing afresh. Click install. Okay. I'm going to, that's admin, that's username, and this one I have to put the password of just hide that I'll be using to log into the backend of WordPress. Confirm. Okay, fine. Here, just put it the name of a website, Lucky Tech Pro, of course, and then some tagline of that website or description. In other terms, just say have a website. Then come down here and say install. Click install. Sorry. Yes. Save. You can see. Wow, you see now, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. That's how we can simply rectify that error that says the installation, these files already existed. So that's how we can do to delete and then reinstall your WordPress afresh. So once I go to the admin here, I can check my website here, or I can even go to admin search URL, click yes, then click it and then check it how it goes. So now I'm the back end of the WordPress of the website. So let me just take it, visit my website here, open the link. You see it's working well. So it's now upon me to go and make this website cool and eye-catching for my customers and so on. So that's how you can do. But all you have any question, drop a message to me and I'll be able to answer you. And kindly hit subscribe to my channel so as you can get notified whenever I add a video of this kind in this channel. Thank you very much.